Oh my God.
In science fiction, they are often cast as the enemy. Here, a team's fate lies in their balance. A competition, teaming bright young minds with cutting-edge technology. Robots are built to withstand virtually anything. Humans are not. In this arena, minor malfunctions can lead to major heartbreaks.
Oh my God, our battery's so down.
Months of work. Sat there dead.
This is not science fiction. This is not man versus machine. This is First. Every year, thousands of young minds compete at the First Championship, the largest and most prestigious competition of its kind. First, or for inspiration and recognition of science and technology, was founded by inventor Dean Kamen to inspire young people's interest and participation in science and technology.
The problem is that so many kids grow up in an environment where by the time they're 10 or 12 years old, they think their options in the world are being in the NBA or being in Hollywood. That's their perspective of the world. It seemed to me that what we needed to do to get First going was to break the stereotypical mindset given to kids about what's important in our culture.
First challenges young people to think, create, and inspire. Working with professional engineers and other mentors, students design, build, and program robots for competition. It's transforming the way they think about science and engineering.
Let these kids that have never met a scientist or a professional engineer see what these people do. Put those people and ideas in front of these kids. You'll change where they put their time and attention, and you'll change the outcome. You'll change what they'll be when they're 17. A few of these CEOs said, Dean, what are you going to do that'll make kids more passionate about science or engineering? I said, let's steal from the playbook of sports. Let's create a sporting event.
In 1992, 28 teams competed in a small New Hampshire gymnasium. Today, the championship is known as the Super Bowl of Smarts.
Welcome to the 2009 First Robotics Competition.
Students at Brem Preparatory are getting a first-hand look into the inner workings of robotics. The high schoolers are piecing together a prototype and honing their skills in an array of career fields. News 3's Clint Misselhorn has this week's Class Act.
First Robotics is not just about building robots, it's about gracious professionalism, which is the core value.
I got it.
The Megahurts team at Brem Prep is gearing up for a date in March that will test whether their robot, built from scratch, can outduel the competition. Steering will be an issue because they'll compete on an arena floor that will be as slick as ice.
what is FIRST? Superficially, it might look like it's primarily a robot competition. No pun intended. The robot is just a vehicle. It's just a tool. What we hope we're really building here is serious relationships between serious adults. Not glittery ones, not superficial ones, not fantasies, but the real people in this country that create the value, that make the systems run, that provide the technology for your health care and your security. We want to build relationships with the people in the companies that do this, the organizations that do this, and the kids that we hope will be inspired to do it. The robots are a very convenient, fun way to link everybody together. And if you come away from FIRST having some sense of what the world of technology is, what these professionals do, if you come away with some experience that might be literally the experience of a lifetime, you had a successful season.